My first £100 with affiliate marketing, full guide. Hey everyone, today I'm taking on a challenge that thousands of people are curious about, but few actually follow through with. Making my first £100 using affiliate marketing. If you've ever wondered whether affiliate marketing is a real way to earn money online or just another scummy trend, this video is for you. By the end, you'll understand exactly how affiliate marketing works, how to get started from scratch, and I'll walk you through the steps I'm taking to earn my first commission. Today, let's jump in. 1. What affiliate marketing? Actually, affiliate marketing is simple in concept, but extremely powerful in practice. At its core, affiliate marketing is earning a commission by promoting someone else's product or service. You don't need to create the product, handle shipping, or manage customer service. Just bring in the customer using your unique referral link. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. That's it. Here's how it works in 4 basic steps. Choose a niche. Join affiliate programs. Share content with your audience. Earn commissions from referrals. Simple enough, but now let's separate fact from fiction. 2. What affiliate marketing is not. There's a lot of noise out there. Some people say affiliate marketing is easy money. Others say it's a scam. The truth is somewhere in the middle. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You won't earn £10,000 overnight, no matter what the gurus tell you. It's not passive at the start. You'll need to create content, build trust, and show up consistently. The passive income part comes later, after you've done the work up front. It's not just for influencers. You don't need a huge following. You just need the right audience and the right offer. Affiliate marketing is legit, but it's a business and should be treated like one. 3. Choosing your niche. This is where most people get stuck, and sometimes fail. Your niche is the specific topic or area you'll focus on. It should ideally meet 3 criteria. Something you're passionate about. Something people are already spending money on. Something you can talk about consistently. Popular niches include health and fitness, personal finance, tech and gadgets, online education, productivity and self-development. Think about what people ask you for advice on, or what you love researching in your free time. That's usually a good place to start. 4. Finding the right affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to find affiliate programs that align with your audience. Some of the most popular affiliate platforms include Amazon Associates, huge range of products, but lower commissions. ClickBank, digital products often with high payouts. ShareSale and CJ Affiliate, large variety of programs. Direct brand partnerships. Many companies host affiliate programs directly. Pro tip: don't just chase the highest payout, choose offers that genuinely help your audience. When you serve first, the sales follow. 5. Building an audience. Now comes the most important piece, your audience. You need a platform where you can share valuable content and build trust. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, TikTok or Instagram, an email newsletter. You don't need to be everywhere. Pick one and go deep. The key is to create helpful, authentic content that solves real problems or answers real questions. Example: if your niche is fitness, you could create YouTube videos reviewing workout gear, blog posts on meal prep tools, TikToks about supplement pros and cons. It's not about pushing products, it's about genuinely helping people. 6. My £100 challenge strategy. Now let's talk about the challenge, making my first £100 in affiliate commissions. Here's my approach. Niche. I'm focusing on digital tools for content creators. Things like AI software, editing tools, and gear. Affiliate programs. I've joined a few programs that offer recurring commissions, so I earn monthly if people stay subscribed. Platform. I'm using YouTube Shorts and Twitter. Quick, useful content with affiliate links that lead to a landing page. Content. Tutorials, product demos, and honest reviews with a focus on value, not hype. If I can help a few people solve a real problem with the right tool, that's value. And that's where the commission comes in. 7. Real-life success example. Let me share a quick story that inspired me. A friend of mine started a blog about wellness and personal health. She joined the affiliate program of a popular supplement brand, created in-depth reviews, and posted weekly. After 6 months, she was making over £1,000 a month, all from one affiliate program. No huge audience, no ad spend, just real content delivered consistently to people who trusted her recommendations. 8. Recap and takeaways. Let's recap what we've learned. Affiliate marketing is a real, scalable income method. It's not fast or effortless, but it's honest, learnable, and rewarding. Your niche and your audience matter more than any payout. Content is king. Build trust by solving problems. Anyone can start, even from zero, but you have to start. Now it's your turn. What niche are you thinking of starting in? Have you tried affiliate marketing before? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts or answer your questions. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one, where I'll update you on whether I hit that £100 goal. Until then, keep learning, keep building, and keep showing up.